Welcome to this enabling a conducive environment for e-commerce. The financial plan. The financial plan is the most essential part of the business plan. It shows investors the time frames you have established and scheduled to make profits. Some elements of the financial plan include important assumptions. Did you take to base the financial success of your business? What assumptions did you take? How did you take them? Key financial indicators. How will you determine whether your overall business is successful or growing at the right pace? Break-even analysis. When is the likelihood when you will stop needing additional funding? Projected profit and loss will assist you in identifying over a period of time what money comes in and goes out of the business. Projected cash flow will assist you in identifying the amount of money that is flowing into the business from your sales activity. Projected balance sheet will provide you with valuable information on what and how your expenses are managed. The business ratios will allow you to be able to provide insights into the success of your business that may not always be practical to the naked eye. Long-term plans will provide you with an analysis of the future cash flow requirements within your business. Key aspects of a financial plan included as part of the financial plan will need to be both short-term and long-term forecasts for your business. Here, you will need to advise of a financial plan that ranges from between 12 to 36 months and will also advise management and shareholders of the requirements of cash over the period of time. This will be very important because it will determine how long it will be before you make break even in the business. This will inform investors as to when you can expect a return from your business investment. Operations, risk, and management. The operations and management section should include identifying a set of potential risks. This will provide information about the possible scenarios you may find in each phase of the business under difficult and different points of view, and also a projection about future potential unidentified risks and what could be their nature and impact should this occur. Organizational structure of the company provides a basis for projected operating expenses and financial statements. Because these statements are heavily scrutinized by investors, the organizational structure has to be well defined and realistic within the parameters of the business. Expense and capital requirements to support the organizational structure provides a basis to identify personnel expenses, overhead expenses, and costs of products and services sold. These expensive costs can then be matched with capital requirements and risks.